What's up, people?
Hey!
First day here in Edisto. There is how close we are to the beach.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna try a vlog today. First try. So here we go.
Yay! Hi guys, welcome to my vlog about things that happen.
Oh, it's Mary.
It's Mary.
We found it.
And we made it.
Alive.
One little Joe from Kokomo!
What the heck is wrong with you?
Even when you eat it.
So what is it you're gonna order, Danny?
Well, my tactic is to ask what the best thing on the menu is.
Well, I kind of think that white adult t-shirt sounds like the best thing to order. What about you?
I agree.
You gotta do the onesie. That's
Oh crap, no, the onesies are the best. You can't eat that.
I know. Okay, I'm experimenting anyway. Hey, stop with your mom jokes. I'm sitting right here. Okay, so you put it in your hand, and you'll like close your eyes, and then we'll like this. Everyone will put their hands up, and then we'll all go 3, 2, 1. Then you put your hands down like that. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And you heard it, right?
I heard it.
Now, which hand do you think it is?
This one.
How did you know? Mom, ready? Ready? No, like 3. Then you. Oh my god. Oh, crazy kid. Jemima, these are battered? That's what they say. Every single thing I've ordered, every single thing. It's really
What's
good.
wrong with it? Oh, so you're just gonna eat it? They forget your food.
I like red onions, but not this on the salad. Oh no, this just won't do.
I record it.
Do we just
Lord Jesus, thank you for the food. Amen.
Amen.
That is not how normal people pray all the time, but I guess that's how our family does it.
That's
That
right.
moment when you work at a restaurant and you just have to agree with the customer no matter what they're saying.
Yeah.
He loves me. Are you kidding me?
No one, well, someone.
Oh my
It's my bully.
Island Manor Vacation Rentals.
What are you doing?
Oh, I got it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's a picture.
Not the whole thing, just the clothes. Why not?
What if you referred to your crotch as a boy?
He's a hunter. What are we doing?
I'm gonna fly the drone and get some drone shots of the island. It's gonna be
Yeah. Is this? Oh, this is the drone. Cool.
Yes.
And this is. Oh, hey! Look who it is. Hi, Daniela. Oh my goodness. Well, why don't you tell us about what you're wearing today?
Well, these are Balenciagis.
Oh my goodness.
These are Gucci's. I also have my channel.
Yeah.
And,
We'll put a description below.
What are you talking about? Hey, so this is about to take off.
Okay, all right. I'm very good at filming this stuff. It's moving.
is it windy?
Oh my goodness, look at it. Whoa.
This is like super stable, so when I
Red. Yeah. Let's run through the sequence like very fast.
Oh, okay, ready? Okay.
This place is pretty cool, but I heard this is a storm drain, so the water's probably not that great to go in. But we have been filming with the 6K camera with the beautiful lens that has manual aperture and manual focus. Lawa, thanks. Good shout out to them. And then our Samsung T5 solid state hard drive.
Shout out to
Shout out to Laowa for this lens. They didn't give it to us, but it's a freaking great brand. Who cares? They gave it to us, all right? They gave it to us.
Holding up my feet.
Shout out to Nikes.
Shout out to Gucci's.
Vans.
Shout out to Vans. Shout out to Redo Skateboard Co. Shout out to my mom.
Yeah, the vintage lady.
What?
The vintage lady. What the heck? Stabilization test, baby. Back we go. I'm going. Is her phone broke? Nope. Here. Okay.
You're welcome.
Cool. Moving on.
See my leg too.
Where's the chunk?
Yeah, there it is.
Fun fact, she got that chunk while trying to do a backflip in her room or something. And she was like...
Not at all what it is.
Why are you making
Like 12 years old. How old were you?
Yeah, like 12.
Like 12. You don't want to go get on that dune?
Here? What does it do?
You're going to break the law. Ooh, don't go on that dune. Ooh, shoot on that dune. All right, let's come back.
Not a good idea.
It's a quicksand to just fall
Turtles
into
put
it.
their nest there.
Oh, frick. There's no turtles there, I promise. Look, look. If there was, there's not anymore. So, just kidding. We love turtles. We're on the way to an ice cream shop. And we're just walking down the road. My mom wants to be a realtor. Let me see the best description you can of that house right there.
This beautiful house right here, selling for $500,000. What a steal, what a bargain. You have the beach right there, you've got retirement life, ice cream parlor down that way, movie rental theater down that way, golf carts, living the life.
I'm sold. I'll buy it.
Danny, we don't have that kind of money.
I don't care.
We don't have that kind of money. We don't have that money.
That speech was just so good. I'm sold.
We're gonna be in debt forever.
Listen to your wife.
I'm gonna buy
She
it.
wants the house.
I want the house.
Hey, Elizabeth, skate or die. No, you can't skate. It's called skate or die, bro. Skate or die. We're depending on Elizabeth right now to get us to the ice cream shop. And guess what? We're back at the restaurant we already ate at. She's waving at every single car and then waiting to see if they wave back.
Of course I am.
Oh, we found the ice cream place, Danny.
We found the ice cream place, Danny. We found the ice cream place, Danny. We found the ice cream place, Danny.
Wow. Look at all these movies. Ice cream and movies. Dude, they got freaking Narnia. I didn't even know they came out with Voyage of the Dawn Treader. What is that, the last one?
I think I fell asleep during it.
I don't even know. Oh, dude, look. So you know who that is right there? That little guy?
Mousy boy.
No, it's friggin' Ratatouille. What are you talking about?
Mousy boy in the walls. This is for when Jeremiah gets in trouble. We put him right there.
For bad children.
We got a DVD to play with.
Really? Which one? It's probably Zoolander 2, the worst movie ever made. All right, Joshua, it's time. The most cinematic ice cream making video I've ever seen.
You want me to try to do some tricks or something?
Yeah.
Do it. No,
You gotta do it now. Just do your thing.
I got this. You're
do
good.
your thing.
Hold your hand right there.
Get out of here now. You do it.
Am I gonna get ice cream in my hand right now?
That.
Do it.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Delicious, thank you. No, yeah, I'll take it in a. Thanks a lot. Joshua, you're the man of the hour. Heck yeah, dude. Friggin' 2 scoops, 3 scoops of ice cream. Are you joking me right now?
Closer.
23?
There you go.
Dang. Elizabeth, how old are you? I'm just kidding. She's single and ready to mingle, and that's perfect because we're only here for a weekend. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's one of those. It's like a nightstand, but just one of them. Just kidding. We don't do that.
What do you like?
I can't have ice cream.
Why not?
I know. It's horrible,
Is
Uh,
but
it lactose or?
Oh, it's a lot. It's dairy. It's gluten. It's
This guy's hilarious. All right, here comes the tour. You ready? Start from the beginning. All right, here's the living room. Oh, we got a little dummy right there. This is the old dining room. Very cool. Then we have the kitchen. Whoa, so cool with a bar and a giant pile of shells. Then over here into the old kitcheroonies. Not too bad, not too bad. It's all goes over to this Walter White looking hallway.
I am the danger.
Into Elizabeth's room, and then ka-chow! Light is on and we see everything in the room. Very cool. Nice, moving on. This is the old bathroom. That's where the fun goes, right there. This is our bedroom. Danny was hiding.
Oh, hi. Oh,
Don't ever hide again.
oh, you didn't see nothing.
And then this is Mom's bedroom, which has a very strange light, I must say. She's in the bathroom right now. Very cool Airbnb, if you ask me, and it's all on stilts. I don't know if I told you that, but it's all on stilts. All right, everybody, that's it for day one in Edisto, South Carolina. Goodbye.
Yay! Edisto.
It is still.
What?
Thumbs up.